Hello traders, this is Ala Peters from alphawavetrader.com. I'm thrilled to be here. Thank you so much, Morgan. Thank you so much, TradingPub. In this webinar, hello Chuck, thank you for having me. In this webinar, I will be sharing with you the power of Fibonacci price waves and the power of Alpha Wave Trader method that's based on pure price and Fibonacci price waves. As Morgan already explained the disclaimers, I will not bore you with such. Just wanted to remind you, don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. And to let you know that I'm not a licensed financial professional. I'm a trader just like you. I'm a strategist and educator. I would like to tell you that Alpha Wave Trader method uses no software, no indicators whatsoever. We trade pure price action, entering on pure price action, and taking profits off the table with pure price action. Each and every morning in the trading room, I start with pure price wave analysis. Here's an example. All the levels drawn on November 16th. This danger zone level, trend exhaustion level, completely expected. What are you seeing? What is price doing currently? Collapsing, correct? Very, very critical, very important level to know. And price formation is telling you such at the inception of the trend. So if you do not know where the trend exhaustion levels are and you're trying to enter long into this massive brick wall, ouch, bad idea. The waves are simple. The price is clear. Take a look at the structure and bearish correction that started overnight on Russell 1 hour. And take a look in the long trade we are in currently. We had taken in our trading room about an hour ago. We're still in it. And what are you seeing? What is happening with the trade when price reaches danger zone structure? Price collapses once again. The formula for the price structure is the same. It doesn't matter if it's 13 range or if it is 1 hour chart. Price is telling us where the exhaustion and reversal levels will be. Decision point 1 is the end of the minor trend. I completely expected this very powerful reversal, and I had taken long from this level at 7887. This is a trade that we just taken in the room before I left the room. So therefore, we're entering on pure price action and exiting using Fibonacci levels. So why do we do this? Because each and every indicator in the market confirming what price did after the fact. And therefore mathematical formula applied and confirms only what price did after the fact. For example, if you're using MACD signals and if you're ending up in a ranging market, you will get contradicting signals, and by the time you are entering, it's a bit too late. The most popular indicator in the market, stochastic, is also can give you false signals when market is in very strong and very powerful trending structure. For example, take a look on oil daily. Has stochastic been able to show you that the bearish trend will end at the decision point 1? All the levels drawn on oil had been drawn since September 21st. This end of the minor trend had been completely expected. So if you knew this level, an options trader or position trader, you would be expecting this very powerful support level on oil that for more than 3 weeks oil cannot break. And oil is struggling immensely and giving us bullish correction structure. Please pay attention to where oil is heading on bullish correction structures. It's incredibly minor to 87.40, 88.27 level. There is a bit of data discrepancy currently on Ninja, but this is how price formed, the inception of the structure telling you how far it will go. And this is what we teach in our education course, how to read the pure price. So let me ask you a question. Do your charts look like this? Is the price hidden? Is the price blocked? Are you paying attention to everything else besides the price? And the most significant component, the only most important element on the entire chart in front of you is a price, but it's incredibly well hidden behind multiple indicators. So therefore, this is all you see on charts in Alpha Wave Trader. And this is all we trade, pure price and Fibonacci. So what is Fibonacci? Fibonacci is a golden ratio that confirms that nothing in this life is random. Look in the mirror. Human face has perfect symmetry. It is a symmetry that's called golden ratio that you will find in nature, in flowers, in snowflakes, in waves, in dance and music, and even in price. Each and every level of support and resistance in the market is formed by price. So therefore, in our education course, we teach you two fundamental concepts: how to read pure price, how to apply it to any method whatsoever, and how to exit utilizing Fibonacci techniques. Once again, no software, no indicators, any markets in any time frame. Pure price action defines wave formation. Pure price action tells you where trend exhaustion levels will be. For example, Nasdaq 1 hour. All the levels drawn on November 16th pointing to the trend exhaustion level at 2590. What are you seeing been happening with the trend for the last 12 hours? Trend cannot break through this level. By the time you get to the danger zone, you are at the trend exhaustion levels, where you will get at least bearish connection, if not trend reversal. That's why it is so critical to know where trend exhaustion levels are. But it is exactly the same formula you're seeing on NQ1 hour as you're seeing in this trade we're still in on Russell 13 range. 13 range price is exhausted and getting ready to reverse. Formula is the same. If it's Russell 13 range, if it's Forex, if it's Nasdaq 1 hour, or if it's stocks. As currently with one of the students, we're looking at options on Priceline, Apple. Formula is exactly the same. Therefore, you're learning high probability entries, high probability targets, and you're learning areas of inherent danger. You're learning what not to enter into, where to take profits off the table. All the price waves consist of Fibonacci cycles. Fibonacci cycles become areas of support and resistance, and this is how price waves are formed. Here's an example of major trend. Major trend consists of 5-wave structure where the initial impulse, once you learn how to read the initial impulse, you'll be able to determine the trend exhaustion levels. And you will know that the important entries are at the inception of the trend, not at the end of third wave. Because there is always 3 waves, but there is not always 5. So by the time you get to the decision point 1, which is the end of third wave on oil, if you're a swing trader, you should be in significant profit. And once oil will blast through this level, oil will head much further down to 79.57 and 71.59. But currently it is time to watch the bullish formation on oil daily charts, which based on the current structure, oil will collapse from 89 level. Ranging markets occur 80% of the time and still respecting Fibonacci levels, where price forms and waves ranging back and forth between support and resistance levels formed by Fibonacci structure. Even most volatile trading markets still respect Fibonacci levels. If you come to Alpha Wave Trader and you can see the YouTube channel, you can pull up the videos from prior FOMC statements where you can see how powerful these levels are. Here's the library of the videos and various trades that you can see how powerful Fibonacci levels are. So therefore, as you had seen on the range charts, we are harnessing the power of the smallest structure into respect to the largest structure. Therefore, if you are trading 30-minute chart, you will be paying attention to 2-minute structure, as 2-minute price waves will be giving you multiple wave formations. So you'll be reading smaller time frames and entering on much smaller structure with the intentions of riding much larger time frames. The most important pattern in the entire price wave structure is wave 3. This is what we call alpha pattern. This is what present even on smallest correction waves. For example, what you saw on Russell collapsing from the danger zone 1 hour, Russell had formed 3 waves. Third wave is present and Russell had found reversal. 3 waves is always combination of 3 wave correction structure or minor trend. Major trend consists of 5 waves. Correction structure is not to be ignored, is to be respected highly. And very powerful reversal opportunities at the decision point 1 are the inception of the major trend wave structure. Here's an example of the exact same structure to the downside. So if you know how to read these waves, you are entering short on the first wave or inception of the third. You would never, ever, ever be entering at the end of the third wave. You would be entering into decision point 1, very powerful support level, as I had been showing you examples on oil daily, or Russell 1 hour for that matter. I would love to hear your questions if you'd like me to take a look on any of the instruments. We have a couple of minutes, and I'll just highlight to you a couple of examples that confirming once you learn the price, the formula remains the same. And it doesn't matter if it's Euro USD 3-minute, price pattern and price structure still the same, or if it's oil 1 hour, 5 wave formation. Fibonacci still respected and giving us very powerful levels of support and resistance. Here's Google 1-minute chart, exactly same concept, 5 waves collapsing from 200 level. Euro Yen 1 minute, nothing changed, doesn't matter if it's Forex or stocks. Fibonacci waves, corrective wave 4, collapsing from 2618, finding support at 200 level. So therefore, in our community, we have 3 areas of interaction. We have regular trading room. We have education room. In our trading room, I demonstrate the power of the method on NASDAQ, Russell, and oil. If you would like to learn the power of the method, you may want to join education room, where education doesn't end. If you decide to join continuous education program, we continue trading the method and continue learning the price. So here it is. Trading room open 3 hours a day. Education room open much, much longer, where we start at 9 a.m. EST. And currently during our holiday hours, we're doing double the education because, as you know, the volume is significantly lower. And therefore, it is the best time to learn. It is very challenging time to trade. Prior to the market open, I always analyze the structure leading up to today's session. And here it is. This is all you see. Pure price on entry and Fibonacci for exits. In the course, you learn correct Fibonacci application, precise trade identification, identification of trend exhaustion levels, minor versus major trends, and much, much more. You learn to trade with clarity. Yes, here's an examples of the trades we had taken in our trading room that you can also see on our website. I will be presenting 3-day live seminar in Florida that you can come to our homepage and register for. Once again, at alphawavetrader.com, you can find all the information that you need. You can find the testimonies from our students. You can find the on our homepage with a video library on the YouTube channel. Let me know if you have any questions. This is pretty much all I have for today. I look forward to seeing you in our trading room. Yes, I posted the link for YouTube channel. Do you see that link above you, Steve? As one of the students calls the method, it is brainware, it is not a software. So therefore, you learn to trade with independence, confidence, clarity, and freedom. We are bringing ES as of next week. My pleasure, Doug. And here's a testimony from actual students who are still in our continuous education course. So thank you so much, TradingPub. Thank you so much for your time. Please let me know if you have any other questions, ladies and gentlemen. If not, I look forward to seeing you. Please feel free contacting me at or you can always call me at Thank you so much for your time. Thank you, TradingPub. Thank you, Morgan. We teach you all of this in education course, Sunil. It's the power of being able to read pure price. Once you learn how to read pure price, you know easily how to identify those levels. I teach incredibly simple version of the Elliott wave. It is not complicated. It is very basic and it is very simple. I treat major trend as 5 waves and minor trend as 3, and that's what we teach in the course. So once again, feel free to send me an email with any questions you may have. I will gladly put you in touch with current students and those who graduated from the course. And if you like to learn the pure price, look forward to hearing from you. As I mentioned, Yogesh, it's incredibly much more simple. It's a very simple version of Elliott wave. It is not complex. There is no XYZs, capital ABCs, small ABCs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is simply 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 minor trend and correction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 major trend. Once you learn how to read the initial impulse, you know how simple price is. And you learn the inherent areas of danger zones and decision points. And here it is in front of you. And here is the trade I called in a trading room before closing, and pay attention to the collapse of the price from the danger zone. That's why it is so critical to know. And it doesn't matter if you trade Forex, hourly, minute charts, range charts. Formula remains the same. Exactly the same as in Q1 hour. Exactly as Russell 1 hour. It doesn't matter. The formula of the pure price is exactly the same and confirms that nothing random, not even pure price. So I thank you so much for your time. Look forward to hearing your questions, your emails. Please come visit the website. We offer 1-week trial. I look forward to seeing you next Monday. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the information right in front of you, all the information about education, and you can call and email me at any time. Any other questions? Morgan, anytime you're ready, I'm all set. Prof, you need to adjust your Omnovia settings. All the charts are in front of you. While we're waiting for Morgan, here's for example structure on ES. Since we're having so many ES traders, this is exactly what we call danger zone. Once you learn how to identify the trend inception structure, you know to expect this. This is what we call danger zone level. Is this clear? This is danger zone. Trend is exhausted. You need to know where these levels are. You need to know what not to enter into. By the time you get into this level, you should be in significant profit, and your entry should be at the inception of the trend or inception of wave 3. And here you trail very, very carefully, expecting danger zone dense. Here it is, ES. The course is 8 hours. Here's all the information in front of you. I'm sorry, 8-week course. 3 hours a day, Monday through Friday, 4.5 hours Monday and Wednesday. 10% of the students grasp the course within the first week. The other 80% of the students grasp the course within a couple of weeks. But again, we expect you to do a homework, we expect you to do study, we expect you to put an effort into it. You get detailed instructions every Monday and every Wednesday in the classroom. And each and every morning you start from 9 a.m. EST to 12 with live instruction and live trading. Everything is on the home page. Please review the course, review the price. It is all in front on the home page. As long as you can attend, you're in great shape. You can set up recorder and record any sessions you like, Rick. We have a lot of students who are full-time employed, a lot of students who are in New Zealand, Australia, who come into the course 2 o'clock in the morning, and if they can't be there, they simply hit the recorder. Yogesh, I had been speaking about the power of the pure price. No, you don't have to purchase any software. Once you learn the price, the knowledge stays with you forever. We teach you brainware. There is no software, none whatsoever. And once you graduate from the course, you can remain in Education Trading Room for as long as you like by joining Alpha Wave Traders Club. Yes, you can watch the demonstration of the method. Yes, you can use any platform you like. There are plenty of graduates who are in Forex on MT4, TradeStation, Sierra Charts, MetaStock, any other platform. As long as there is pure price and Fibonacci tool, you can set it up however you like on any platform. Any other questions? Please let me know. So therefore, that's all there is. The power of the pure price is not to be underestimated. And once you learn how to read the pure price, you can trade anything. Let's take a look on the structure while we're waiting for Morgan. Here's, for example, in Q. If you know how to read the pure price, you would have expected the collapse on NQ from decision point 1 on 13 range chart. This is where minor trend ends. So you're long in Q, you're trailing very, very carefully. The formula is identical. Do you see? 13 range in Q, daily oil, it doesn't matter. The formula is the same. Decision point 1 is the end of the minor trend. The structure is entirely different. On daily chart, you have magnificent, spectacular runs. On range charts, the structure is different and much, much smaller. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your time. Colin is taking over. We teach you everything in the course, Sunil. Look forward to your emails. Please come to the website, send me an email, and I will answer all of your questions. Thank you, TradingPub. Thank you, Morgan. My pleasure being here. Look forward to seeing you at alphawavetrader.com. Thank you.